Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and today we are going to talk about how to fulfill orders on Shopify with Zendrop. So as you can see over here, we are at Shopify and obviously you need to open Zendrop. But before we go further, we need to understand like what is Zendrop and what Zendrop will does for you. So if you are an e-commerce like business owner or drop shipper, so you already know that order fulfillment is one of the most crucial aspects of your business. It can be very time consuming and complex process, like especially for a large number of orders to fulfill orders every day. So this is where Zendrop comes in. Zendrop is a powerful and user-friendly order fulfillment platform that can help you streamline your business operations and grow your revenue. In this video, we will show you how you can use Zendrop to fulfill orders on Shopify step by step, by the way. So if you're ready to learn more about the innovative platform and take your business to the next level, keep watching. So first of all, obviously you need to create an account for Zendrop, and obviously you need to search Zendrop, and you will end up over here. You can see over here, I'm going to click on create your free account, and what you need to give your phone number, your password, your first name, last name, and email, and preferred contact method. Once you've done that, click on sign up. So I'm going to do that real quick. So once you sign in, you will end up over here, as you can see. And there are some things over here which we will talk about this later, but as you can see over here, we have free for 7 days, then just pay for $80 per month. Cancel anytime. No, I'm not interested. It's all on you, obviously. Just click on start your free trial, 7-day plus trial. If you want, just go ahead and do that. But before we go further, what you can do, you go back to Shopify and you need to find add app. So where you can find that, you can easily search that from over here on the bottom left on this menu on the left panel, or you can just search that from over here and you can see that we have apps over here. So if I click on add apps, and what we are going to search for, we are going to search Zendrop, because we need to integrate Shopify with Zendrop to work on, right? Obviously we need to do that, otherwise how they both can do work together. So you need to click on find more apps in the Shopify app store. You can find that in the bottom of the screen, and click on Shopify app store. So this is where you will find multiple applications out there for Shopify, like to integrate with Shopify. You have a lot of applications over here, but what we are looking for specifically, Zendrop. Once you search for Zendrop, and you can see on the top we have global drop shipping. Start drop shipping in 30 seconds with unique products. Click on global drop shipping and you will end up over here and click on add application. This is very easy. Everything is very everything is very smooth right now till now. And you can see over here on the top right corner we have install application in our Shopify. Yes, this is what we all wanted, and you can see we are going to link these two website together. So click on install application and wait for a while. Let's see where it will take us, and it might take some few seconds and few minutes. As you can see over here, it's taking a lot of time right now for some reason. I don't know why, but maybe for my internet connection. But right now it's opening Zendrop right away, and obviously we have already logged in from our website from Zendrop. That's why it didn't ask anything for anything like account or anything, otherwise it would ask that. So you have so many options over here. We have on the left side, you can see that we are at my store. My store name is Besters, and I have connected my Zendrop with Besters. So we have dashboard over here, and find products, import list, imported products, my codes, orders. We have upgraded options over here for our plan. Like if you have upgraded Zendrop, you will get all these options also. We will talk about them later on, but right now just close them so we don't get distracted. And we have our upgrade plans over here. But let's just start from over here. We have our dashboard. As you can see, at dashboard you will see everything whatever is going on your Shopify store. So obviously it's linked with Shopify, so you whatever orders or anything comes in your Shopify store, you will see over here, right? So this is where you will find your fulfill orders, and on the right side you have your overview, how many orders are there, and how many sales have been done, how many costs have been done, how many profit you have earned. You have your orders to fulfill, like whatever you are going to fulfill later on, and that's it. This is all your dashboard, and this is all you needed for your fulfillment, right? And on the left side we have our find products, but we will talk about this later. Right now we are going towards the import list. Whatever you want to import from any other list, you can just find that products from find products, and you can add that list over here. We will talk about them later. Imported products, you can add like the products you've imported to your store will show here, so you can quickly review them if needed. So this is very easy to understand that what our imported products are there. We have our my codes over there. What my codes, it's like your product ID, your product name, whatever you have product had in your shop, Shopify, or your store in Zendrop. And we have our orders over here, whatever you like you are working on, like different orders like unpaid link product issues, all those details will be over here according to your orders. And obviously Shopify orders will also appear over here. So let's go back to find products, which is very useful point for this video in this tutorial. And you can see we have a lot of stuff over here which we can add to our Shopify store, because we have already linked Zendrop to Shopify in our account. So you can see how it works over here. We have a lot of options over here which you can choose, and you can even also add from import from AliExpress. But obviously sometimes what happens that AliExpress is a paid version. So we will talk about what are the plans for Zendrop. And right now what you can do, just search for anything over here, and you can just ship from USA if you want to target USA audience if you want, and shop trends or shop tags. So let's click on shop tags, and let's see where it will take us. Wait for a while. I don't know why it's taking too much time, but let's wait it out and let's see what Zendrop will show us. So as you can see over here, we have our tags over here, import whatever we search for. And let's say that I want to give this product my name and my everything, whatever we are going to work on. And we can just click on, I want to add this to my Shopify store. So once you click on add to my product list, import list, you can see on the left side we have import list over here, and it shows number 1. So whatever you are going to add, it will end up over here. Click on that import list, and you can see we have our things over here. You can just add write product type. Why? Because you can just categorize different lists for different things. So these are some electric product, and men's beard hair clipper. So you can just make a different category or make a different folder in the simple words. And what you can do, you can just add more items related to this, similar items if you want to. And you can just add a description if you want. And I think you should change it, because obviously this is from the original person. I don't know who uploaded this product, but you can just change this if you want. And you can see how many options over here. We have variants if you want to add more variants with different pricing, and you will see how many profit you will get. So obviously the original price is $2, so you can just go ahead and write like $3, and whatever you are going to work on, it's all on you. And go ahead and do any profit over here. I don't know what I did, but I did something. And you can see on $13 we are getting 2.82 profit. So you can just go ahead and play around if you want. You can just select the shipping if you want, and you can click on images. What images do you want to show your customers over here? You can see it's very useful for all of us. And once you done that, click on import to store. Obviously I'm not doing a lot of stuff over here, but once you get the idea what I'm trying to say, you know what to do. And got it, please don't display this message again, and click on confirm. What it does, that it will start importing to my Shopify store, and it will work as as you can see over here, imported products, it's importing to my Shopify store. And whenever someone's going to order this product, it will end up over here in my order options, and you can just find that in the dashboard, and all the fulfillment will be done by Zendrop. But there are some few things which you need to understand. We need to go back to our upgrade and free plans over here, as you can see. And what it does, there are some exceptional cases over here for free plans. As you can see, we cannot there are some limited orders for per month for free version. So there are some exceptionalities which you can get for the plans. And as you can see over here, these are monthly options, by the way. And if you scroll down over here, we have our $0, $50 per month, $70 per month, and you can see there are some things which are not available on free plan and even pro plans. So obviously for starters, go with free, and later on you can just work on that later on, like Pro and Plus and select anything you want. So it's all on you, whatever you are going to work on. So that's how you know how to fulfill your orders on Shopify with Zendrop. I hope you understand every single thing. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe. If you have any queries, any question, comment down below, let us know. And please take care. Bye bye.